Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you Android secrets and tricks. So in this video, I'm going to show you two tricks. The first one is to change your location. So if someone asks for your location and if you don't want to give your location, you can just give a fake location. So in this case, you need to just follow my steps. At first, just go to your phone settings and click on about phone, and in your phone version just tap there 7 times and you will become a developer. You can just unlock the developer option. Now go back and you can just search for developer options in the top. Click on developer options. Now scroll down. Now here you can see select mock location app. Just click on here, and after that just minimize it and go to Play Store. Now just install an app which is fake location changer GPS. Just install it. You can install this app. Click on install. Now after installing this app, just go to settings again. Now just select this app. Now go back and open this app. Click on while using the app. Okay. Now just choose a location, just like I'm in South Asia, but I'm going to choose Zimbabwe. And click on this pink icon. Click on go to settings. You need to just give the permission. Now after that, here you can see there is a share option in the top right. Click on it. Click on allow. And you can just share your fake location to any social media. So guys, that was the first trick of the day. Now if you follow the second trick, you can just make your phone faster than before. So click on phone settings. Again search for developer options. Click on developer options. Now just scroll down. Now here you can see there are three options here, which is window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animated duration scale. You need to just make all these 3.5 or off. I'm going to put 0.5, and by this your phone will be faster than before. So guys, that was the trick of the day. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video.